Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch back to personal account on Instagram. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your Instagram app on your phone, then you tap on the profile icon, then you tap on this 3-line button. Once tap on it, then you scroll down, you keep scrolling down, okay, good. Looking for a particular option. Alright, good. I think we have to go back again. Alright, good. You tap on this option, which is creators tools and account. Tap on it, then you scroll down, then you tap on this option, which is account switch account type. Tap on this option, which is switch account type. Then from here you can switch back to personal account on Instagram. Then you can see switch to a personal account. When you switch to personal account, you will lose access to in-app insights and the insight from all your content, including your promotions. You lose access to Meta business tools like business suits or some other stuff like that, even your Meta verified subscription. So if you want to switch back to personal account from professional account, these are things you need to put into consideration, especially your verified subscription. So all these will be cancelled if you move back from, if you switch from professional to personal account. So you still want to take all this into consideration and yet still want to switch back to personal account, then you follow this process. Then when you get to this option, then you tap on this red option, which is switch to personal account. Then you tap on it, then your account has been switched from professional to personal account. You can see some of the options are being removed from your settings, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.